Hello parents. Today we'll start with some body parts. Okay, we'll match body parts with their names. First one is eye. Okay, then we'll draw a line from word eye to picture eye. Then come to hand. Match from hand, draw a line from hand to picture hand. Then it's leg. For leg, leg, leg. Then for ear, then for nose, it's already written N-O-S-E, nose. So draw a line from picture to word. Then here it's face, face, uh, face, F-A-C-E, face. So draw a line from word face to picture. Then your left one is ear. So draw ear to your line. Okay. Then comes to sense organ and its uses. Okay, we have 5-6 organs. Then first come with eye. Okay, eye, the use of eye, we see with our eye. So here picture of TV is there, so we draw a line from TV to eye. Then nose, we smell our food. Okay, then here, then with tongue we taste our food. Draw a line to ice cream. So here hand we touch and hold. Then for ear we hear sounds. Here circle the national symbols. Here mango is national fruit, so circle this one. Bird is our national bird is peacock, circle this one. Dolphin is our national water animal, so circle this one too. Then our national flower is lotus, and this one is national emblem, so circle this one too. These are all our national symbols. Then here circle some healthy food items. Okay, so here picture of first picture is of chips, french fries, but this is not a healthy option. So cheese, this one is cheese, cheese is a healthy option, circle this one. Egg is also a healthy option. Then fruits also healthy, and this one is a milk, milk is also a healthy option. Then here circle the vegetables and tick the fruits. Okay, here what are the vegetables? Carrot, this one is capsicum, brinjal and tomato, all are vegetables. So we'll circle all the vegetables first. Then the carrot we circle this one, then pumpkin circle, then circle the brinjal and circle the tomato. Then rest already written, tick the fruits. Here two fruits are there, one is grape, another one is cherry. So tick that one. Here write different parts of plants. Like you and me, plants also have different parts. Some parts of the plants are above and some are below the ground. Okay, here above the ground is flower is above the ground. So write here flower, Flower, flower. Okay, plants need soil and water to grow. Okay, then here this one is leaf, so I write here Leaf, leaf. Here this one is bird, Bud, bird. Okay, this one is a stem of plant. Okay, stem is also plant's backbone of plant. So stem, stem. This one is root which hold the plant. Okay, then R-O-O-T. Then this one is fruit, F-R-O-F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Here identify is vegetable and write the name of its plants. Here this first picture is a picture of corn and it's grow with plant. It's grow with, the plant name is corn plant. Here this one is a brinjal, picture of brinjal, and brinjal also grow with plant. So we write here brinjal plant. Okay. Then here this one is a picture of tomato. Tomato also grows with plant. Here also we write here tomato plant. Then comes next, circle the vegetables that grows with plant. Here apple grows with tree, mango grows with tree, but watermelon grows with plant. So we circle this one. Then capsicum is grows with plant, circle this one. Then strawberry also grows with plant, Pineapple also grows with plant. Then this one is P. P is also uses plant. Okay, here match the number of wheel with the correct vehicle. Okay, there is a two wheels are there. So cycle has two wheels. So match that one. Here three wheels. Auto has three wheels. Okay. Then here six wheels. Bus has six wheels. Then here four wheels. Car has four wheels. Okay. Okay. Then comes to next part. Match animals with their sounds. Okay. First one is lion. Lion what? Roars. So match that one. Then pig groans. Then we'll match that one. Then dog later. Horse knees. Bear growls. Snake shh. Rooster crowing. Then last one is dog. Dog barks. Okay. Then look at the picture and match the insect to its name. This one is a picture of ladybird. So here ladybird is written Ladybir. Draw this one. This one is caterpillar. Draw a line. Then this one is a dragonfly. Here dragonfly is written. So draw a line here. This one is a picture of bee. Honeybee. So draw here written here honeybee. Draw this one. Then come to next part. Written match the picture with correct names. This one is a picture of a Rakhi. This one to celebrated Rakhi. So here Raksha Bandhan. It's related to Raksha Bandhan. Okay. Then this one is a picture of Holi. It's a festival of colors. So this one colors are there. So draw a line here. Then this one is picture of candles and lights. It's a festival of Diwali. Is a festival of lights. Then this one is okay. This one is a picture of Christmas tree and it relates to Christmas. So draw a line to Christmas tree. This one is a picture related to our festival Eid. So draw a line from Eid word to this picture. Okay, now finish the matching of pictures with correct names.